Are you tired of hearing that annoying scrolling sound every time you use Facebook? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn it off, so you can finally enjoy a silent scrolling experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen to open the menu. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings Privacy. Step 4. Tap on Settings. Step 5. Scroll down and tap on Media. Step 6. Finally, toggle the switch next to Scrolling Sound to the off position. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the scrolling sound on Facebook. Now you can scroll through your feed without any annoying distractions. Enjoy the silence. Remember, you can always come back to these settings if you want to enable the scrolling sound again. It's all about personal preference. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. See you next time.